He told me to start on the hardest one.
It's the hardest one for me too. Are you shooting the pocket Glock?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told him I was probably going to register that one the day of the...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can register the day, Saturday or Sunday, either one.
Okay.
You don't have to do it ahead of time. And a lot of people that do register ahead of time will end up shooting whatever they're going to shoot and then decide they had so much fun they're going to shoot another division, and they do it at the match.
Okay.
So. But your pocket Glock is going to be your hardest thing on the plates, probably, because you only get 7 shots for 6 plates.
Yeah. Yeah, I was seeing now. I was like, definitely going to have to load all.
Yes, you need that. You need that 7th round Barneyed in there. Yeah.
It didn't help. I shot the worst I shot today on pocket.
Really?
Shot a 236, and the best I shot is a 248. So that was pretty bad.
Yeah.
I had two.
Some days.
Yeah, 2 that just went low.
Yeah.
Got the other round.
The cool part about it is that when you get to these paper targets, you only have to do 1 shot per. So that's pretty cool. You can pretty much go a little bit faster on them because you got a little bit more cushion. Going high.
Yeah.
If that helps any.
A little bit better.
Yeah.